Today we are going to talk about Britannia Industries. Britannia Industries is part of the famous Wadia Group. Wadia Group was founded in the year 1736 by Luigi Nusservanji Wadia. He started up with a marine construction company that built ships for the British at that time. Today, some of the companies part of the Wadia Group are Britannia Industries, Bombay Dyeing, Bombay Burma, Bombay Realty, National Peroxide, and so on. Britannia Industries was started in the year 1892 with an investment of just Rs 295. On 3rd October 1979, company name changed from Britannia Biscuit Co. Limited to Britannia Industries Limited. Some of the key product launches by Britannia Industries over the years can be seen in the screen. Some of the products offered by Britannia Industries are cakes, wafers, rusk. It even offers dairy products like daily fresh dahi, cheese slices, bread and pav. There was actually a most trusted brands survey by the Economic Times Brand Equity. In this, Bourbon was named as the 11th most trusted food brand in the country. Marigold was named as the 6th most trusted food brand in the country. Good Day was named as the number 1 most trusted food brand, and it also was named as the 3rd most trusted overall brand in the country. Now let's talk about Britannia Industries products depending on the category. Let's start with biscuits. Biscuits has a very high penetration. It reaches over 90% of the households. But on the other hand, per capita consumption is still low compared to some other developed countries. So bottom line is, high penetration plus low consumption can provide a good base to increase consumption. Cake. It is an evolving category. Growths over here have slowed down due to sluggish economic conditions, and also there has been significant increase in the competitive activity. Rusk. Rusk, as we all know, is a traditional category and has a reasonable level of unorganized play. The unorganized nature of this segment offers tremendous opportunities for growth. There is a scope to expand the consumer base by offering superior quality products at the right price points. Bread. Bread is considered as a staple food in many parts of our country. Consumer preference for healthy and premium products can provide significant opportunity in this category. Plus, the company plans to become a national brand in bread, but there are some major investments made by the competitors in infrastructure to produce high quality products, and higher media spends continue to pose a challenge for the company's business. Dairy products. India is the largest producer and consumer of dairy products and contributes approximately 20% of the global production. This category is currently dominated largely by unorganized players, but the organized segment of the Indian dairy industry seems to be growing. Wafers. Wafers is approximately 700 crores category and is growing at a healthy pace. Even here, there is a lot of unorganized play. So the unorganized nature of the segment offers tremendous opportunities for growth for Britannia Industries. Croissants. This is practically a new category in India. However, it is a very large category in many developing countries. As the shifts in the lifestyle and consumption habits of the youths, Britannia Industries sees a potential in this category. Now let's talk about the management. Varun Berry is the managing director of the company. Varun Berry did his bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Punjab Engineering College and completed his MBA from UBS in the year 1986. He started his career in HUL, then joined PepsiCo International. He also served as the CEO of the PepsiCo Foods India before joining Britannia Industries. He joined Britannia Industries as managing director in January 2013. Nusli N. Wadia is the chairman of the company, and his sons J. N. Wadia and Ness N. Wadia are non-executive directors of the company. Now let's talk about some controversies. Apart from the famous Nusli Wadia mystery and Tata's controversy, his eldest son Nusli N. Wadia has also been involved in some controversies, like one of them was with actor Preity Zinta. Ness N. Wadia owns a stake in Punjab Kings 11 cricket team, and he once fought with her over the seats in a stadium in Mumbai just before an IPL match, and later Preity Zinta even complained about this to the Mumbai police. Another one was when he went to Japan. He was found carrying cannabis, which is actually banned in Japan, and he was also arrested by custom officials in Japan. But Nessin Wadia is reportedly not so much involved in day-to-day operations of the company as compared to his younger brother J.N. Wadia, who is more involved in the company's operation compared to him. But why are we even talking about this? The reason is Nusli Wadia is becoming old, so we hope everything is going well between the two brothers. So let's talk about remuneration salaries given to the promoters, directors and KMP. By the way, KMP means key managerial personnel. As investors in the company, you should try to see the remuneration given at least to the promoters of the company. Why is this important? A promoter or owner of the company should always try to see how he can use the profits and reserves of the company to make the company even bigger and get even more profits. Of course, we understand money is important, but if the company becomes bigger in terms of profits and market cap, the net worth of the promoter will automatically grow. Another thing we should note is how the promoter's salary is changing in times of crisis. Like, if the company is going through tough times, are the promoters taking a pay cut, or they still increasing the salaries? Coming to Britannia Industries, its PAT or PAT or profit after tax for the last financial year is approximately 1,400 crores. Compared to that, remuneration of the promoters doesn't seem to be high, and we are happy to see that. Coming to the shareholding pattern, promoters over here hold 50.61% of the shares of Britannia Industries, and 49.39% is with public. Also, Kotak Mutual Fund holds 1.24% of its shares, SBI holds 1.14%, General Insurance Corporation holds 1.04%, Life Insurance Corporation of India holds about 4.5% of Britannia Industries shares. Let's talk about some financials. What you see in the screen is the quarterly sales of Britannia Industries for the last 3 years. As we can see, the sales in financial year 18-19 had been growing in double digits, and it grew in single digits in FY 19-20, but in last quarter it grew about 26%. Here there may be some factors which we feel may be contributing to the growth. As we know, there were several lockdowns across the country in the last quarter, so some people might have done some panic buying or stocking up products when they got a chance to buy. Plus, as Britannia Industries were trying to increase the distributors in the last several years, so their products might have been easily available. Plus, company also said they had partnered with Dunzo and also launched Britannia Store Locator, which is a tool to find stores with Britannia products. We are not sure, but this might have also helped. Another thing is, during COVID-19, people have becoming more health and hygiene conscious and are preferring to buy good quality branded products. As we said in the beginning of this video, some of the Britannia products were named as the most trusted food brands in the country in a survey by the Economic Times Brand Equity. So this also might be helping Britannia in getting more sales. Here are some important numbers for you. The net profit margin increased to 12.1% in 19-20 from 10.5% in 18-19. Market cap of the company is around 92,000 crores. Total assets of the company is around 7,800 crores. Debt of the company is around 1,500 crores. What we should note over here is debt has increased compared to last few years. So we just hope that everything is all right in the company and it doesn't have any kind of liquidity problems. Coming to ROCE, which is return on capital employed, it is around 37.45%. Debtor days is around 10 days. Dividend yield is around 0.92%. What this means is for every 100 rupees invested in this company, you will get 92 paisa as dividend based on past data. Finally, let's talk about valuations of this company. Is this company available at cheap valuations or is it costly? Currently, Britannia shares are trading around 3,800 rupees. Book value of the company is around 180 rupees. So the PB ratio is around 20.87. How did we get this? Simply divide the current price of the company by its book value. EPS or earnings per share of the company is rupees 70.59. Please remember that this is TTM, that is trailing 12 months. PE is 54.10, which is current price divided by earnings per share. Free cash flow for the last 5 years is around 3,600 crores. Based on the above metrics, the valuation looks costly to me. I would wait for a good amount of correction in the company before considering to buy it. But please remember, this is just my personal opinion, and we have just done a brief fundamental analysis. Please do a more thorough detailed analysis and research before taking a decision on buying the company. I would be analyzing many more companies and posting the video in YouTube. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and consider subscribing it. If this video seemed to be helpful to you, please share it with your friends. And in case if you did not like this video, please feel free to click on the dislike button. But please be sure to leave a comment as to why you did not like this video. Thank you.